Hi guys, back Paul here. So following on from my first video then, I'm out today testing the DJI Mic Mini. I'm going to do a series of different tests just based on the gain levels, and I'm not going to start at the highest, which is plus 15 decibels, because as I've noticed from a lot of other motovlog videos and doing my own research, the optimal kind of audio quality tends to be in the lower decibel range, so anything from 0 right down to minus 12, which is the kind of minimum that this microphone will go to. So I've connected it to my Osmo Action 4 and I'm on the gain setting of 0. There's no noise cancellation, so this is mounted in my helmet on the chin curtain, the microphone, and yeah, so we're going to do, like I say, a few different tests. I'm going to go from 0 to minus 12 and then start including the noise cancellation when we get down to minus 12, because I think that is going to be, to be honest, where most people are using this microphone in that particular range. So 0 at the moment. It's not a windy day, just to give you an idea. I say not windy, there is obviously some wind, it's minimal, and yeah, hopefully this is acceptable audio quality. Like I say, I expect that it'll get a lot better as we go down through the ranges. So 0 at the moment with no noise cancellation. Okay then, so we're now at minus 6, still no noise cancellation added. As you can see, we're on a 50-mile-an-hour road here, and wind's picking up a little bit, but still fairly moderate. Just to add as well to my previous video, I'm not sponsored by DJI, this is not being sent to me for free, anything like that. I've just bought this using my own one. Okay. So hopefully you've noticed a slight improvement in the quality, going from 0 to minus 6, and in a moment we'll take it to minus 12. Just to add as well, I'm not going to be doing any kind of post editing on this. When I obviously export the video and put it through my normal editing software, just to take out any extra video parts that aren't needed, and add the title sequence and all the rest of it, I'm not going to be making any changes to the audio. I'm not going to be using any kind of audio cleanup tools or anything like that. So what you're going to be hearing should be as you'd expect to if you were to buy a Mic Mini and just implement it in your helmet. Okay then, so we're now on minus 12, so this really should be the optimal setting for motovlog purposes. DJI did also introduce a clipping control, which was done via an update. I'm not actually certain if that was already updated in my last video or not. I can't say I noticed it when I was going through the settings, but yeah, that clipping control is in the settings now if you connect the wireless microphone, so hopefully that will help a little bit as well. But yeah, like I said, this is minus 12 on the camera, no noise cancellation, so just on minus 12. Like I say, wind's picked up a little bit since I set off, so moderately windy now, and hopefully this is coming through nice, because ideally I'd want to be at a point where I can do the videos at a minus 12 on the gain setting without introducing the noise cancellation, because I'm not 100% sure, but I believe the noise cancellation may make the video sound a little bit artificial in terms of the noise. I'm not saying if it's going to sound a little distorted, but we'll give it a test. There's obviously 2 levels of noise cancellation, so yeah, but as it stands now, this is minus 12, like I said, should be the best in terms of the audio. And next step will be to do minus 12 decibels, but with the noise cancellation added. Okay, so we're now at minus 12 with the noise cancellation set to low. And just to add, my visor's closed on the helmet. Obviously should be getting the best audio quality with the visor closed. If it's open, then it's going to sound a lot worse than this. I'm not certain how distorted this is going to sound with the noise cancellation on, but maybe at low it's not too bad. And yeah, so we're on minus 12 noise cancellation at the lowest setting. So shortly we'll move that onto minus 12 with noise cancellation at high. just to add as well that it is super easy to amend these settings. If you have a look at my first video, you'll see me going through the settings on the camera, but because this is just on a little magnetic mounting point, you can just release the camera, quickly go into the Pro mode, change the gain and change the noise cancellation, so it takes like a matter of seconds just while you're at the side of the road, which makes it easier for videos like this where I'm comparing the different levels, but also, you know, for your own motor vlogs, you don't need to be going through loads and loads of menus. DJI have made it really simple, just one press, find the Pro menu, adjust the gain and adjust the noise cancellation. Okay, so we're now at -12 decibels with the noise reduction / cancellation on its highest setting. Okay, hopefully this doesn't sound too artificial. It's going to be working hard to eliminate the noise element because obviously being on a bike is a noisy environment, and we've got the noise reduction on its highest setting. So in the comments, please let me know which of the settings you feel is best. So we've obviously gone from 0 with no noise reduction down to 6, and then down to 12, and then down to 12 with noise reduction on low and high. Hopefully we've found a good setting there going forward. Please add any comments if you've got a Mic Mini and you found a good configuration to use this for motor vlogging. And if you've got any questions, then ask away. Check out my video last week, which is the part 1 video where I unboxed it, went through all the features, connected it to my Action 4 camera, and I also went through the settings. So if you're buying the Mic 2 and you're using it with an Action 4, you can have a look at that video and it'll explain and go through how to alter the gain and the noise reduction, and yeah, just a few other little settings on there. And as always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos coming soon. I may well do a video on the Action 4 camera itself. That's been really good in the limited use so far. We'll use it a couple of times, but really straightforward to use. Exports the videos really quickly, not had any problems at all. Great battery, great image quality. So yeah, I would recommend that. But like I say, I'm not sponsored or endorsed by DJI. Everything I buy is just with my own money. So again, thank you for watching. Hopefully you found the video useful, and please subscribe for more videos coming soon. Okay, thank you guys.